I'm sure you are all familiar with this image you see before you. This is my Google Classroom and what your child has been accessing all week. You see here in the bottom left corner, there's a box that says upcoming. And that says all the things that are due upcoming. This is supposed to be the highest priority. If we look over on classwork, you can see your child has also accessed this all week, and you can see all the things that have been assigned to your child to do. Off to the left again, once again, we have a quick jump of the tabs of getting all the different topics. So you can just click on the side here to jump to whatever topic you like. Except there is one button I wanted to point out because I don't think everyone is aware of this button. I'm getting a lot of questions this week like, what do I need to do? When is it due? How do I know if I didn't turn it in? So there's this handy dandy little button up here called View Your Work. Now, what you're looking at actually here is a fake student I created, a student who is not enrolled in my class. So since this student is not actually enrolled in my class, then you can see that all his assignments that are due are going to be missing. And so I just wanted so you see what it looks like. So if you click on this little icon here that says View Your Work, then you're going to get something that looks like this. See, here's Ethan Brenner. He's my son. He's not actually enrolled in 5th and 6th grade. You can see all the assignments right here, all in one quick, easy row. You can see the ones that have a due date. You can see when that due date is, and you can see whether your child turned it in or not. In this case, Unit 1 and Chapter 1 are missing. There are some big red letters next to it, so you know that it is missing, not turned in. Now, here's a problem. On some of these assignments, there is a Google form to do, right? And some of these things, there's nothing to do. There's a video to watch. But how, as a teacher, do I know that the child has watched it? How do I know that the activities were written down in their 3-ring binder? Here is what needs to happen on your end. So please show this video to your child. If your child is not watching with you, go pause the video and go call for them. Say, come here, my darling, my child. Okay, so we're looking at this assignment, and it was saying that this assignment was missing. So here is what your child needs to do. There is a button right here called Mark as Done. If there was something that needed to be done, such as a Google form to fill out or an essay to write, your child might have had a button that said Turn In. So they clicked Turn In. Awesome. Many, many students did that. But on a lesson like this one, where there was nothing to do electronically, there was something to write, many students did not click Mark as Done. So I need them to actually go back and mark as done. Once that is done, then we can go back to that image that said missing, and it will no longer say missing. In that case, I will feel much more confident telling parents what assignments were done and not done. So to conclude, be sure that your child checks on that button, View Your Work, and then take a quick look through to see if all their work that has been assigned and is due has been turned in and there is nothing missing. All right, I'll see you guys next week.